G'day YouTube, hope you're keeping well. Today I'll be showing you how to merge multiple bracketed images into a single high dynamic range, or HDR for short, image in Lightroom CC. Hope you enjoy. Now, if you are unfamiliar with Lightroom CC, don't fret. You can use Camera Raw in Photoshop alone, and I will be creating a specific YouTube tutorial just for all you Camera Raw users. Now, what is HDR, you may be wondering. To put it simply, it's multiple bracketed images at varying exposures or stops of light. Those individual images are then obviously combined into one, allowing you to have a photo where you can extract the best detail from your overexposed or potentially underexposed photos. Now, enough of all that information jargon, let's get into what you're here for. Okay, so while you have Lightroom CC open, you want to select your 3 or 5 or 7 images. Right click on those 3 images, making sure they're all selected, and click on HDR Merge, which is located under Photo Merge. To show you the raw output, I have all the settings unticked. However, generally I will have at least auto align selected to make sure the photos are accurately merged. With regards to de-ghosting, you only really want to apply it if there was movement, unintentional movement of the subject matter in the image where it's not wanted. While I of course wanted to capture the movement of the water in a long exposure in this image, the camera also captured the movement of the ferns in the image naturally, hence the need for a little bit of de-ghosting goodness. As you can see, there is an option for applying automatic settings after Lightroom's created the HDR image. However, be wary if you are using that, and if you leave it as is, as it can often be too much for the actual photo. As you can see for this image, when you apply the auto settings, it does, in my opinion anyway, blow out some of the details in the image. Hence, obviously, I'll be editing that in post. And if you wanted to see the final image for that final edit for this image, just jump onto the old Instagram and you can have a suss of it there. Now, if you like this video, you may be interested in my other Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom tutorial videos, which you can check out by following all these links over here. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.